Good morning, students. So we are discussing about the effectiveness of advertising or measuring the advertising effectiveness. So in the last session we already explained about the measurement of advertisement effectiveness, and there are mainly two types of evaluation techniques such as pre-testing and post-testing. What is pre-testing? Pre-testing means testing the potentiality of a message or a copy before printing. That is, before publishing the advertisement, measuring the effectiveness of advertisement message. That is pre-testing. For pre-testing the advertising effectiveness, there are mainly three methods. Firstly, questionnaire and answer method. In this method, the draft of an advertisement along with some relevant questions is sent to a group of target consumers or advertising experts, and their opinion are collected and analyzed to find out whether the proposed advertisement is satisfactory or not. Okay, here a pre-prepared questionnaire is sent to a group of target consumers or sometimes to some advertising experts, and through this questionnaire, the advertiser collects their opinion and is analyzed to find out whether the advertisement is satisfactory, whether the proposed advertisement is satisfactory or not, and based on the analysis or the opinions of the experts, certain changes are made. That is questionnaire and answer method. Then second type of pretest method is recall. And here a group of respondents is shown a number of alternative advertisement drafts, giving as much time as they want to read them. And after the specified time, they are asked to recall them and to reproduce them as much as they can. And the responses are analyzed to find out how far the advertisements are impressive, which ones are most impressive, and so on and so forth. That is, a group of respondents are given with the advertisement or draft advertisement, and after a specified time period they are asked to recall them, or in this method the advertiser tries to analyze the reproductive or recall capacity of the advertisement, and on the basis of the responses analyzed, it is usually help to find out the whether the advertisement is impressive or whether to make any improvements. This is the method of recall. Then one more pretest method is there, that is reactions. Here the potential effect of an advertisement may be judged with the help of certain instruments which measures heartbeats, blood pressure, pupil dilution such as stethoscope. Okay, that is the emotional and physical changes happens within a person while seeing or watching the advertisement. That is reactions. It's already explained yesterday. Then these reactions provide case to its power to get attention and to produce other psychological or nervous effect. Some emotional advertisements or which may have an emotional value or appeal, it may affect the people in a very sensitive way, and it may create some reaction in the body, and that is analyzed through this pretest method, that is reactions. The next is post testing, that is after an advertisement has been appeared or after it is provided to the audience, it's post testing. And here we are finding the impact of communication and the impact of sales. Okay. In order to find out the communication impact, whether the communication is effective or ineffective, we have to find it out using two methods such as recall and recognition. Let us explain. Under recall method, regular users of the related medium may be asked if they can recall a specific advertisement, including the name of the advertiser and the products referred to, and if so, how much of the advertisement they can play back. and their responses are studied and graded to see how far the advertisement was successful in attracting notice or being retained. That is, the retention capacity or the recall capacity of the advertisement is measured or evaluated in this method through recalling, that is through the medias or through the television or any other media. How can a viewer can recall the or remember the advertisement, including the name of the advertisement and the name of the products, brand name, etc. Whether it is whether he is remembering the particular advertisement, there is a recall effect that is tested in this method, recall. The next is recognition. In this case, a particular issue of a medium is shown page by page to a sample of its readers, and they are asked to point out which advertisement they recognize as having seen, and or on the basis of the replies, evaluation is made of the receptiveness of the advertisement. Here, the advertiser tries to find out the receptiveness of the advertisement, that is the recognition given by the viewers to the advertisement. Okay, here or the advertiser makes a sample or through any medium, he is providing a page by page of sample to the readers, and they are asked to point out which advertisement they recognize having seen, and based on their replies, the advertiser tries to evaluate the recognition of their own advertisement. That is recognition as compared to the competitors' advertisement, how the audience or readers value our advertisement, that is to be evaluated through recognition. So, in posters method, mainly two items are evaluated, that is communication effect and secondly sales effect. For measuring the sales effect, sales method test is conducted. The advertising sale effect is generally harder to measure than communication effect. That is, that's why sales are influenced by many factors besides advertisement. Advertising is a major factor promoting sales, but there are some other factors influencing the sale of a particular product or service, such as product's features, price, availability, and competitors' actions. Okay, so sales impact is not very easy to measure. So the marketer have to make any other some crucial methods to evaluate the effectiveness of sales or the effectiveness of advertisement on the sales. Okay, there are mainly two different methods are used for the purpose, that is historical method and experimental method. What is historical method? In this method, past sales are analyzed in relation to past advertisement, either on current or lagged basis. If an advertisement has been followed up with more sales, it is considered to be more effective. This is a comparative analysis, or past sales are analyzed in relation to past advertisement. Okay, that is through the current period or the past years, and we are analyzing, or the advertiser analyzing the effectiveness of advertisement. For example, in the last year, comparing to the last year, current year sales is increased, and we are making some more additional strategies in advertisement. Then the advertiser has to analyze, or he can make a judgment, he can make an evaluation that the sales is increased due to the impact of advertisement. That is historical method. Basically on the basis of past sales, a comparative study or analysis is conducted. That is historical method. The next is an experimental method. That is, through this method or under this method, the advertiser or the marketer divides the sales territory into 3 or 4 sub areas. Okay, more or less on the basis of some uniform criteria. So here the total sales areas are divided, or sales territory is divided into 3 or 4, and in these 4 areas or 4 sub territories, different types of advertisement methods are applied. That is, in one group an advertisement is inserted involving a certain amount, and in another group the amount is doubled, or the advertisement expenditure is doubled, or more promotional techniques are adopted, and in the third it is tripled, and in the fourth it is quadrupled. That is, the advertising expenses is or the promotional expenses is doubled, tripled, and quadrupled in these four territories. Okay, and finally the results is evaluated, or the sales is measured in these four territories, and it is compared with the way to find out the impact of increased sales in relation with the advertisements. Okay, that is an experimental method. So mainly for evaluating the effectiveness of advertisement, there are mainly two types techniques, that is pre-test method and post test methods. Okay, so this is the evaluation of advertising effectiveness.